sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, fluffy and full. With my white sheep friend right by my side, we share the wool with farmyard pride. One bag for the farmer, shiny and neat. One bag for the lady down the street. And one little bag just for fun, black and white sheep, everyone. Baba, black sheep smiles so wide. White sheep giggles right beside. Soft wool bouncing, fluffy and round. Happiest sheep you've ever found. Morning sun on the grassy hill. Black sheep munches, munch and chill. White sheep dances, skip and play. Ba ba ba, they say all day. Clip, clip, clip goes the gentle shear. Black sheep laughs, no fear here. White sheep cheers with happy glee, sharing wool for you and me. Clap your hands and bow along. Black and white sheep sing this song. Stomp your feet and spin around. Farmyard fun is all around. Wind goes whoosh through wool so soft. Clouds float by, fluffy aloft. Black sheep naps, white sheep hums, dreaming of drums and yummy plums. Evening comes with golden light. Black sheep cuddles, cozy night. White sheep snuggles close and tight. Farm feels warm and just right. Stars go twinkle in the sky. Black sheep waves the day goodbye. White sheep yawns, sleepy too. Ba ba ba, sweet dreams to you. Ba ba, black sheep, ba ba, white. Friends forever, day and night. Sharing wool and sharing cheer. Ba ba, sheep